KFP headquarters are in Phoenix, Australia. Because apparently... No, wait. No. Right? Wait. Is there a Phoenix town or something like that in Australia? Australia... Phoenix. If I look that up, do I come up? No. Hey, but there is a city called Phoenix in Australia, I think. No. What is this? In Melbourne. Oh. Eh? It's a... Oh. It's not a city, it's like a thing. A center for post-traumatic mental health. That seems like the place you would go after leaving KFP. Highly traumatized by what you have seen here and in the usual room. Anyway,